Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the square, color side down. This gives a clean white belly. Fold one diagonal, then the other, and press both creases firmly so they hold. Once done, bring opposite corners together and collapse the sheet into a triangle base. Make sure points align. Symmetry matters for wings later. You are forming the central hinge. It controls later shaping. Keep folds crisp, because crisp folds equal clean edges, and that makes the penguin look neat. When you add beak and eyes, you now shape the body. With the triangle base pointing down, fold the two top layer corners to the center line to make the white chest. This contrasts with the back. Next, perform a small reverse fold at the top tip to form a beak. This locks the head shape. Then fold each side outwards slightly for wings. Angle them down so the penguin appears natural. Make sure to press each crease firmly. Gradual adjustments here control posture and balance later. You finish by folding the bottom tip up a little to form feet and give the model stability. Flatten that area so it stands. Then add eyes, use a pen or small paper circles, and press gently so they adhere. If layers separate, tuck and secure with a tiny dab of glue. If folds look sloppy, recrease along the same lines. For stubborn paper, lightly dampen with a fingertip, wait a moment, then press. This relaxes fibers and sharpens the fold. Now your penguin is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.